I don't remember this Chevelle being here. I don't remember it being here at all. It might have been. Sweet, man. With the red line tires. Very nice. Same Nova. Same Chevy too. Like the old Impala. She's pretty slick. Pretty sweet. There's one I missed down here. At the front end of these things. Try not to step on this guy's landscaping. I'm sure they put a lot of money into it. Pretty cool, for sure. Yeah, the Impala convertible. It's really, really neat. Things were not very expensive back in the day. Ford Custom, and her name is Fannie Mae. I like it. I don't know what it is about it. I like it. Pretty neat. Yes, sir. Y'all have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, all the things. Thank you. God bless you.